Christina Gonzalez, known as Christina Dark Cosplay.
Hey, that's rude. Creating our ratings and shit. All right, I'm sorry. Can you repeat your name
Christina Gonzalez, cosplayer Christina Dark.
again? All right, can you tell us who you're cosplaying as?
Lady Deathstroke. So, well, Deathstroke, but I'd like gender bender it. So now he has boobs.
Okay, he has boobs. Interesting twists. Tell me, are you more of a Marvel fan or a DC fan?
Oh, that's so hard. I'm gonna have to say DC. I grew up with DC first, so.
Okay. Do you respect Stan Lee though?
Yes, I do. I really do.
If he was here right here at this moment, will you blow him?
Yes, I would. I would.
Me too. We could probably
We all
like
would.
team
We
up and
all-
something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do a duo blowjob.
That's interesting. I like to see that. All right. Tell us a couple more things. How long did it take you to do your costume?
Okay, so this took a week because
too long.
I
We need to
know.
step
Hold
in.
on. Okay, it took a week because I'm an actor. I do plays and I didn't have time to like make the whole costume, so I bought things and put it together. This I made.
That's really interesting.
Thank
Really
you.
interesting. I heard your character is very tough and like they have no lines to cross.
Right.
Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. So I feel like you should touch my butt because of that. It's character. But okay. I was gonna say 1, 2, 3, but that's fine. All right.
My hand's still on his butt.
Oh yeah. Her character. She's into character. All right. Now please say follow Board Film Studios and my butt is nice.
Okay, follow Board Film Studios and his butt's nice and I'm still touching it.
Thank you.